Well, the information is flowing out, and everybody knows who are behind it. It's an open secret in Pakistan. The people who were involved in kidnapping, torturing, sexually abusing senators, the top political leaders from the opposition parties, other senior journalists who were tortured, and they were forced to make certain confessions. I think this is a link with that episode. Sharif left Pakistan under compelling condition. He knew that he was a next target. He was about to be arrested and he could have been sexually abused. So in order to avert that kind of situation, he first left to the Dubai, and in Dubai, informally, he was told by the Dubai authorities that he must leave Dubai within the next 24 or 48 hours. If he doesn't, then they would be compelled to hand him back to the Pakistan. He left to Kenya because Kenya is perhaps only few countries where he could have got visa on arrival. And he was chased down in Kenya. And he was working on major scoops, on investigative scoops. The last thing he was working on, the narcotics connection of a regime change operation in Pakistan. You know, allegedly there were certain intelligence agencies in Pakistan, and there were reports, credible reports. One of the senators, one of the former members, former minister of the former government, she has accused that there was head money on him. And so many other groups were after him. And I think what we have seen, heard today about his assassination, it is very much connected with what is happening in Pakistan. It's very much linked with the political movement. Sharif had taken on the powerful military establishment, something nobody talks about it. But everybody knows that they are the one who are calling shots. Everybody knows that the Pakistan's political setup is such that no government can be removed. They are making and breaking governments, and he was making those details public in a very systematic manner, in a fashion that was unacceptable for the military establishment. We don't know at this particular point of time who killed him, but in Pakistan, the general perception is that it is a military and military-run intelligence operation against him. We don't know.